Hey, what's up guys? Cool Techs is back with another video with the best upcoming smartphone, that is Google Pixel 3 XL leaks. You're looking at what may be the first Google Pixel 3 XL photo leak, and it has good news or bad news, depending your thoughts on iPhone X-like displays. There's clearly a notch cut out at the top of the display, according to a pair of photos posted to XDA developers. For many people, the controversial notch is bad news. But the notch effect is good news if you want a bigger all-screen display from the Pixel 3 XL. The bezels around the Pixel 2 XL and Pixel 2 were certainly larger. The leak generated a ton of buzz, so we reached out to Meraz 9000 to see if we could get more information. He has graciously provided us with more real-life pictures of the Google Pixel 3 XL, codenamed Crosshatch, and has confirmed one point of frequent speculation: it has a glass back. While we can't confirm if the Pixel 3 XL has wireless charging support, that it does have a glass back bodes well for those hoping for the feature to be available. We should note that having a glass back doesn't necessarily mean a device has wireless charging, as shown by the OnePlus 6. Anyways, here's what you all came for: more pictures of the Google Pixel 3 XL in the flesh. The first photograph posted here is a bit blurrier than the first set, but it makes the bottom speaker grill a lot more visible. Here, we have another shot of the rear of the Google Pixel 3 XL. The rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. They're likely not opting for an in-display fingerprint scanner this generation, since the technology is still evolving, and the single rear camera can be seen. The recent craze surrounding dual and triple rear cameras, Huawei P20 Pro and potentially the Samsung Galaxy S10, may make this news feel disappointing, but keep in mind that the Google camera software is best in class. The top of the device doesn't have any noteworthy features, though the absence of the 3.5mm headphone jack still stings in my opinion. On the right side, we can see that the volume and power buttons are positioned similarly to the previous generation Google Pixel 2 XL. This side picture shows us the depth of the fingerprint sensor and the rear camera. The Google Pixel 3 XL rear camera protrudes a bit from the back. It's not unlike the current Google Pixel phones, but even with Gorilla Glass some of you may feel anxious and opt for a protective case. At the bottom, we can see the USB Type-C port. To the left of the Type-C port, there's the SIM card tray. On the Google Pixel 2 XL, the SIM card tray was on the left-hand side of the device. Those are all the Google Pixel 3 XL pictures that I can share for now. It should be noted that today's forum post leak does state it's a prototype phone. Likewise, the specs splashed across the screen may be far from final. The alleged Google Pixel 3 XL prototype has just 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The back shows a design and a single lens, both matching the Pixel 2 XL. Google is expected to launch the Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL, and maybe a cheap Pixel 3 later this year, likely in October again. We're sure more notch-filled leaks will emerge between now and then. That's all about Google Pixel 3 XL leaks, guys. I will be back with some more leaks. Until then, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.